Hey there, young entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into an extraordinary topic: how to make $10,000 a month using AI at just 15 years old. It's not a pipe dream, it's a real possibility. Let's explore how, step by step. Segment 1: Learning the Basics. First, get a solid grasp of AI fundamentals. Start with online courses and platforms like Coursera, edX, or Khan Academy. Learn about machine learning, programming languages, and AI tools. Segment 2: Choose your niche. Select a niche you're passionate about. It could be gaming, social media, or e-commerce. Specializing in something you love will keep you motivated. Segment 3: Building your skill set. Hone your AI skills. Work with languages like Python and libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. This is essential for developing AI applications. Segment 4: AI project creation. Start with small AI projects. Build a chatbot, a recommendation system, or a simple game. These projects will showcase your abilities to potential clients or employers. Segment 5: Freelancing and gigs. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great for finding AI-related gigs. Offer your services in AI development, data analysis, or AI-driven content creation. Segment 6: AI in education. Leverage AI in the education sector. Create AI-driven tutoring platforms, develop educational games, or offer AI-based homework assistance. Segment 7: Content creation with AI. Use AI tools like GPT-3 to generate blog posts, videos, or social media content. Sell these services to businesses looking for automated content creation. Segment 8: AI trading and investments. Learn about AI-powered trading bots and investment strategies. Use platforms like Alpaca or Robinhood to apply your AI knowledge in financial markets. Segment 9: Monetization strategies. Diversify your income streams. Combine freelancing income with revenue from your AI-driven projects, content creation, or investments. Segment 10: Networking and learning. Stay updated with the latest AI trends by attending conferences, webinars, and joining AI communities. Networking can lead to lucrative opportunities. Conclusion. There you have it, an in-depth guide on how to make $10,000 a month using AI at just 15 years old. Remember, success takes time and dedication. Embrace the learning journey, and you'll be well on your way to financial independence through AI.